Hi! I haven't done a video in a while, so I'm really excited for this one. I posted on Instagram a little bit ago what you wanted me to do for my next kind of meal prep with me video, and everybody wanted me to do a breakfast recipe. So that's exactly what I did. I have some protein muffins that are perfect for breakfast or perfect for any time of the day because if you're working from home like me, kind of suddenly too, it is so important to just have a little quick grab and go snacks as you're at your computer or at your desk all day, right? So I won't keep you any longer. I'll go ahead and show you my meal prep with me protein muffin recipe right now, and I hope you love it. So all you need for this recipe are these Kodiak cakes, power cakes, flapjack mix. You'll need some plain unsweetened Greek yogurt, some mini chocolate chips, brown sugar and baking powder, unsweetened almond milk, some egg whites, and some vanilla extract. Pretty simple, right? So in a big bowl, I'm just measuring out about a cup of the Kodiak flapjack and waffle mix first. Then I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of mini chocolate chips, 2 tablespoons of brown sugar, and 1/2 teaspoon of baking powder. Next is about 1/2 cup of unsweetened almond milk with 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 1/4 cup of liquid egg whites, and then I'm going to put about 1/4 cup of plain Greek yogurt in there as well, and I'm just going to stir it all together until it becomes kind of a clumpy, liquidy mixture. So this muffin mixture can kind of stick to your muffin tins, so I put some cupcake liners in there, and I'm using a 1/3 measuring cup to fill up each of these muffin tins. They definitely rise a lot when you're cooking, so don't fill it too full. So just bake at 350 for 15 to 20 minutes and you've got these delicious protein muffins ready for the week. I keep them refrigerated and then I warm them up when I'm ready to eat them. So, what'd you think? Did you like that recipe video? I tried to keep it super simple and quick and not too many ingredients because even though we have a little bit more time working from home probably, I still feel like we have so much to do. At least I have so much to do. And my time is still very limited, even though I'm physically at home more. So I hope that you'll try these out. Let me know what you think if you do make these protein muffins, and I know it'll really up your healthy snack game. All right, I will talk to you soon. Bye.